What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a really quick review here about this 22-piece mini artificial Christmas tree set. And in this review, I'll tell you everything you need to know about these, including one thing that you should know before buying. So my wife and I are actually really close here to setting up our village downstairs. And I saw that we had gotten this thing in the mail, and honestly, it is really, really cool. It's going to fill up a lot of the blank space. So I'm going to show you some of the things here and the details with it. So first off, we have these benches right here, which look really good. Comes with 2 of these. Also comes with these mini evergreen trees right here. Comes with 2 of the big white evergreen trees. And then comes with 3 of the smaller white evergreen trees. Comes with these right here, which kind of confused me at first because I was like, oh, that's kind of weird. Like, these bent really bad, right? No, they didn't. This is supposed to be basically snow kind of pushing them down, I believe. It's important to note you can bend all of this up, right? It's actually got wire on the inside, so you can bend it up if you want to, which we'll probably do when we set it up and everything, but it was, kind of smashed when they shipped it over to us. But yeah, you can adjust these however you want. So we'll probably do that. Comes with 2 of those that are the same size. Comes with these, which are kind of cool. I kind of messed with this one a little bit. This is basically supposed to simulate a tree without any leaves. So it looks pretty good. It's actually pretty neat. And just like the other one there, you can bend it however you need. 2, I guess you could say mini evergreen size or evergreen trees. 2 small bushes. And then it comes with 1 really big evergreen tree and 1 really big branch or snow pushing the branch down tree. Comes with that too. Comes with these 2, which are basically these right here, but with snow on them. They look really good. And then lastly, it comes with these 4 lampposts. So in total, you're looking at 22 total items that come with this thing. And frankly, it's a really good deal, especially for the price. I think it's a very good value because, some of these mini village stuff, mini Christmas village stuff can cost quite a bit of money. These are actually great for space fillers, and frankly, they look really good. Like the detail on here, so I'm just gonna get kind of close up. This detail is pretty awesome. And then you can see this one here. This is another really good one. The details are really good on these. They're high quality for sure. Absolutely love them, and we're super excited to get our village fully built out because now it's gonna look real. And like I said, for the price, can't really beat it. So yeah, and then the only thing I think that you should know about this before buying, like I said, is that when they come to you, so you can kind of see here, it gets kind of smashed. See how these 2 are smashed, right? That's just, they were laying on the in the box like that. Basically, once you take them out, as I said already, you can bend them, but just know that some of them are probably going to be a little bit smashed before they get to you, but you can bend them however you need. So yeah, if you're considering, guys, definitely give these a shot. If you're into the Christmas villages like we are, I think it's a great buy and really will fill up a lot of space.